Hello everyone. Good afternoon. How are you? Fine. So how you will say? I am fine. Thank you. What you will say? I am fine. Thank you. Very good, my dears. Okay. Now we have learned small letters. Okay. We have learned small letters. Which letters we have learned till A? We have learned letters till A. Let us revise one time. Before that, before starting our class, you have to say which class is this? This is a English class. Which class is this? English class. English period is going on now. Okay. In which class you are studying? In which class you are studying? So how you will say? I am studying in class LKG. How you will say? I am studying in class LKG. Okay. What is the school name? What is the school name? So how you will say? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. How you will say? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. Very good, my dears. Okay. Let us revise the small lowercase letters which we have learned till now. Okay. So which letter is that? A, and sound of A is A. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. We have learned all these letters. A, B, K, D, A, G, E, J, K, L. We have learned all these letters with their sounds. Okay, so today after L, which letter will come? M. Okay, G, H, I, J, K, L. After L, which letter will come? M. This is Mama M. And this is Baby M. And sound of M is M. And sound of M is M. Okay. So, how you will write? How you will write lowercase letter M? First you have to make, we will write in only 2 lines. In how many lines we will write? We will write only in 2 lines. Okay. Always small letters were written in 2 lines only. So how you will write? Standing line, then up, curve and down, then up, curve and down. Like this we have to write baby letter M, and sound of letter M is M. You have to close your lips and you have to say M. Okay. So the sound of letter M is M. Okay. And we will write in 2 lines only. M for mango. What I have made today? Mango. You like mango very much? Okay. And the color of mango is yellow. So today we will write letter M in mango. In where? In mangoes, because I like mango very much. You also like mango now? That's why. Okay. So make a mango in your notebook, and in that draw the line, standing line, and in write and start writing. Okay. And in the space which you have left, in that you have to color. Which color? Yellow color. The color of mango is yellow, and this is a leaf. So you have to color the leaf green color. Which color? Green color. And here you have to color yellow color. Okay. So look here. Look at the board. Now how you will write? In 2 lines. Only 2 lines you have to write. How you will write? Standing line, then up, curve, down, then up, curve, down. So which letter will form? Letter M. M for mango. And sound of M is ba. Okay. Again, you have to write between middle line and base line. Okay, you have to write letter M between middle line and base line. Okay, so down, standing line, then up, curve, down, then again up, curve and down. Okay, you have to write letter M like this, and sound of letter M is ba. Okay. Again, how you will write? Standing line, up, curve, down, again up, curve, down. Okay, like this you have to write. Which letter is this? Lowercase letter M. Which letter is this? Lowercase letter M. Okay, again we will start to write. How you will write? Between two lines only, between base line and between middle line and base line. Okay, how you will write? Down, then up, curve, down, then up, curve, down. Okay, like this you have to write letter M. Again, here you have to write in between base line and middle line. So down, up, curve, down, up, curve, down. Like this you have to write letter M. Again, down, up, curve, down, up, curve, down. So which letter will form? Letter M. M for mango, M for monkey. Okay, M for mother. Okay, so M for, yes, this is baby M, lowercase m, and the sound of letter M is M. 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 Okay, look here. Again, we will start to write in next line. And in empty space you have to color the mango with yellow colors. Okay, in empty space you have to color the mango with yellow color. Okay, now down. Okay, done. Next line, done. How you will write in next line? Between base line and middle line. This is middle line and this is base line. You have to write between this line. Okay, so down, up, curve, down, up, curve, down. Okay, you have to write like this. Again, write neatly. Don't write out of line. Don't write like this. Okay, this is wrong. So write neatly. Down, up, down, up, then curve and down. Okay, write like this. Don't write like this. Don't write like this. Okay, this is wrong. You have to write like this. This is wrong and okay, like this. Down, up, curve, down, up, curve, down. Okay, write like this. Again in next line, write neatly and properly. Don't overwrite. Erase that letter and then you write again. Again, down, up, curve, down, up, curve, down. You have to write like this. Which letter is this? This is baby M. Which letter is this? Baby M. And sound of M is M. And sound of M is M. Okay. Again, down, up, curve, down, up, curve, down. So which letter will form? Letter M. Lowercase letter M, and sound of letter M is M. 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 Okay. M. M. You have to close your lips and say M. M. Okay. Again, down, up, curve, down, up, curve, down. So which letter will form? Letter M. It's baby M. Okay. And sound of M is M. M. Okay. And from M, mango. From M, yes, tell me. M for mango, M for monkey. Okay. Yes. After that, you have to color all the things. M for milk, M for money, M for mosquito, M for moon. Okay. Okay. So we have completed to write letter M in your notebook. This is baby M. Which M is this? Baby M. Okay. And after M, which letter will come? After M, which letter will come? Say G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. N. Which letter will come? N. Which letter will come? N. Which letter is this? This is N. Okay. Which letter is this? Letter N. And look here. This is small baby N. N. Which letter is this? Baby N. And sound of N is N. And sound of N is N. No. And sound of N is N. No. Okay. And for net. And for net. And for nest. And for net. And for nest. Okay. So I have made net for you. I have made net for you. So we will write in net. Where we will write? We will write in net. So what is the color of net? Net. White color is there, grey color. Okay. So start writing in letter N. Baby N. Okay. We will write baby N. Write neatly. Okay. You have to write neatly in your notebook. So, start ready? Are you ready to start writing in your notebook? Okay. So, let us start writing letter N in notebook. Okay. So, how you will write? It is we have written M. It is the half of M. Okay. We have written M. And N is a half part of letter N. Okay. N is a half part of letter N. So, start writing letter N in your notebook. How you will write? Like M only, okay? Down, curve, down. Okay? Which letter is this? Letter baby N. This is baby N. And sound of N is net, nest, nail. Okay? So write like this. Again, nose. Nose is there, na? And for nose? Yes. So down, up, curve and down. You have to write like this. How you will write? It is a half of letter M. If I rub this now, it look like letter N. It look like letter N. And sound of N is N. And sound of N is N. Nest. Sound of N is N. Nest. Nose. Nail. Net. Again. Down. up, curve and down. You have to write like this. How you will write? Down, up, curve and down. Okay. Again we will write down, up, curve and down. You have to write between middle line and base line. Where you have to write between middle line and base line. Again, down, up, curve and down. Down, up, curve and down. Okay. Here also down, up, curve and down. Which letter will form? Letter N. Which letter will form? Letter N. And for nest, this is a baby N. Which N? Baby N. Nest, and for nest, and for nose, and for nail. Okay. And for neck, again we will write properly, standing line, then up, curve and then down. Okay. Sound of N is N. Sound of N is N. Again, standing line, up, curve and down. Standing line, then up, curve and down. Which letter will form? Letter N. Letter N. And sound of letter N is N. And sound of letter N is N. Again, we will write neatly and properly. Standing line. Between two lines you have to write lowercase letters. Up, then curve and down. Okay. Standing line. Again up, curve and down. Okay. Which letter will form? Letter N. And sound of letter N is N. Sound of letter N is N. And for nose, and for neck, and for nest. What is nest? Where birds live. Where birds live, they make their house on the tree. Okay, nest. And net. You have seen the net? Yes. Again, in next line, you will start writing. Okay, between two lines. Lowercase we write on in two lines. Which lines are there? Middle line and base line. Two lines were there, middle line and base line. We will write letter N in two lines. Again, start writing. Standing line, up, curve and down. Up, curve and down. Which letter will form? Letter N. Which letter will form? Letter N. Okay. Again look here. Standing line, then up, curve and down. Which letter will form? Letter N. And sound of letter N is N. And sound of letter N is N. Okay. So, which letter is this? This is letter N. Lowercase, baby letter N. Okay. You are baby of your mother now. Your mother is capital N. And you are small n. Okay. Again. Standing line, up, curve and down. Which letter will form? Letter N. And sound of letter N is N. And sound of letter N is N. And for nose. And for nail. And for nest. And for net. Okay? Yes. In last line, only last line is remaining. Okay, so write neatly. Don't write out of line. Don't write overriding. Okay, you have to write neatly and properly so that when you send your book for checking, I will give you a smiley in the notebook. Okay, star, ice cream. Next, in last line, you will write properly and neatly. Look here, all of you. Look here, all of you. Yes, we will write. Yeah. How you will write? Standing line, then up, curve and down. How you will write? First standing line, then again you have to override on standing line, then curve and down. So which letter will form? Baby N. Which letter will form? Baby N. Standing line, up, curve and down. Which letter will form? Letter N. And sound of letter N is N. N. Sound of letter N is N. And for nose, and for nest, and for nail, and for net. Again, how you will write? Standing line, then up, curve and down. Which letter will form? Letter N. Which letter will form? Letter N. Okay. Then last, finish writing. Very good. Written is nicely, neatly. Yes. Yes, my dears. You are so smart and good in writing. Very good. So you have to complete your notebook with letter. Today we have learned lowercase letter m and lowercase letter n. The sound of letter m is m and sound of letter n is n. Okay. And for I have drawn mango for you. You have to in empty space. Empty space you have to color the mango. Which color? Yellow color. Okay. And this is net. This is net. You have to make a net and write in the net. Okay. And which color? What are the boundaries color of net is? Black. So you do outline with black crayons. Only use crayon. Don't use sketch pens. Okay. So be safe at your home. Till then, bye. We will meet in next lecture and have a nice day.